This video is going to show you how to change your user code on the SafeLogic Basic. This procedure would also pertain to the SafeLogic Toplet and the SafeLogic Backlit. So here's how we do that. To change your code from its default position of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to a unique code that only you know, you would first enter change code mode. You do that by entering 6 zeros. It beeps. Then you enter the code you want to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It beeps again. Then you enter the code you want it to be. So this is your unique code. It beeps. And then you repeat that. And it beeps twice. That means that the code has been accepted, and now your code is changed from default of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to unique code that only you know. Now, to open the safe with your unique code, you should test this after you've changed it. Enter 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or your code, and make sure that it opens correctly. You're now safe to go ahead and close the safe and lock it up. Only you know this code.